Hello everyone, this is Susan Pope, Marketing Director at Beurax. In 2020, our company showed excellent financial results. We earned more than $100 million for our partners. We have expanded our partner network for more than 300,000 active investors from all over the world, and we do not stop there. The year 2020 has taught us all a lot. In particular, the fact that the usual situation in the world can change very quickly, markets can fall at lightning speed and grow just as quickly. At Beurax, we see instability as a potential for growth, and we are constantly developing new solutions to protect our financial stability. We are a powerful international company created during the global crisis. Our business plan and strategy already include all possible material and technical risks associated with financial instability in the world. For this reason, Beurax is not afraid of any economic fluctuations, but on the contrary, it is able to use them to its advantage. We have a huge margin of safety, so we are able to easily overcome even the deepest crisis. But what should do ordinary people in such conditions? How to maintain the usual level of income and how to provide passive income in an ever-changing market? In this video, I will talk about the most popular solutions, their advantages and disadvantages. So, at the end of 2020, our analysts have identified their most popular options for passive income. Option 1. Investments in long-term assets. Perhaps the most important advantage of such investments is that global population growth in the world plays on the investor's side. The population is growing, as a result, global demand is growing. Businesses are growing due to demand, and the value of companies is increasing. This is a global trend, quite stable in relation to a possible economic crisis. But there are also serious drawbacks. Long-term investments require a huge initial investment. You invest your money for a period of 2 or 3 years or more. When investing in long-term assets, your profit, under the best circumstances, will bring you 15% per annum. Option 2. Direct investment in cryptocurrency. At first glance, such investments promise obvious advantages to the investor. The cryptocurrency market is developing rapidly. Expected high yield, low level of inflation, high level of liquidity. You can start with a small investment. But there is a main reason why this type of investment is not suitable for everyone. High liquidity contains both a positive and a negative side. On a sharp side in price, you can both earn and burn out. In fact, the cryptocurrency is not provided with anything other than the demand of investors, so it is possible to predict its price only with the help of a thorough market analysis. Accordingly, you need special knowledge, specialized equipment, and a great experience in a financial analyst, so as not to lose your investment. The third option is an investment in real estate. According to international research, about a quarter of investors prefer to invest in real estate. This is a market segment where there are no high risks and constant income is assumed. But, despite the large number of advantages of this type of investment, they suggest a huge minus. The payback period for real estate investments is from 5 to 10 years. In fact, the investor receives the first profit not earlier than 5 years from the moment of the transaction. And also, should I remind you about the huge initial investment? When we built Beurax, we thought first of all about ordinary people from all over the world and about the need for short-term investments that will allow you to get a guaranteed income from the first day of work. The advantage of such investments is that you immediately start earning money by investing even a small amount of money. Let's say you have $100. What can I do with them? If you just put them in your pocket, then taking into account inflation at the end of the year, it will be not $100 but $82, the purchasing power of which will also decrease. You can put this $100 in a bank account, and by the end of the year, you will have a figure of $108, which, taking into account the same inflation, is not the highest income. But let's say today you decided to become our partner and made a deposit of your $100. And they immediately start working for you. Within 15 business days, your $100 will bring you $21 net profit. I agree that's not too much, but after 365 days, your $100 will turn into at least $445. That's what I call really tangible growth. And if during this period you do not withdraw but reinvest your profit, then in a year your $100 turns into $820. How do you like that? Our conditions are ideal for generating passive income. In addition, by investing more, you get more favorable working conditions. Let's say you decided to invest not $100, but $1,000. In this case, your income will grow faster because the daily interest rate on the deposit will be higher, and in 365 days, you will earn $9,400 or more. Agree, this is already more than a tangible profit, taking into account your minimal participation. On our website, you can find a description of all the investment plans that we offer to our clients. From investment plans available for a $20 deposit and to super profitable investment plans for large market players with deposit up to $100 million. You can also use the profit calculator to clearly understand how profitable your cooperation with Beurax will be. Today, in the face of the restrictions associated with the pandemic, the opportunity to earn passive income has become especially relevant for people from all over the world. And the company Beurax offers private clients perhaps the best conditions for this type of earnings. And more than 300,000 of our investors from more than 120 countries are an irrefutable example of our competence in providing investment services. In just 5 months of Beurax's existence, we have paid our customers $72 million in net profit. Thanks to the active cooperation with Beurax, during this short period, tens of thousands of our customers have purchased new cars, paid off their housing mortgages, paid for their children's education, and simply multiplied their capital at times and significantly improved the quality of their lives. Our repeatedly proven reliability and professionalism and the profit that we guarantee allows our customers to live the life that everyone dreams of. Do not miss your chance. Join Beurax, and you will only regret that you did not become our customer even earlier. Susan Pope was with you. See you in the next video.